Hidden in northern China's Taihang Mountains in Guoliang, Henan province, lies this breathtaking natural canyon, raw, ancient, and rarely seen from above. This is Taihang Canyon, carved over millions of years. Towering red sandstone cliffs rise hundreds of meters, framing a deep, winding valley at the heart of the South Taihang Range, right on the border with Shanxi Province. Perched high on the cliff top at 1,600 meters is Guoliang Mountain Village, an ancient stone settlement in Guoliang, Henan, founded over 2,000 years ago during the Han Dynasty. It's known as China's #1 film village. Since the 1970s, more than 60 major Chinese films and TV dramas have shot here. It's drawn by its untouched stone architecture, dramatic cliff setting, and timeless historical feel.